Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of lines and angles. This is fourth question of its exercise 5.1. So the question says that find the angle which is equal to its complement. So complementary angle is when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then they known as complementary angle and complement to each other. So हमें find out करना है angle which is equal to its complement. So required angle is equal to x, हम assume कर लेंगे. So angle which is equal to its complement, so x plus x is equal to 90. So ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास 2x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90 by 2. 2 से 90 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 45 टाइम. So x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारे पास 45 डिग्री. So 45 degree is equal 45 degree is the angle which is equal to its complement. Thank you.